Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's project, we will be replacing this old but still good looking kitchen ceiling light. I have a problem with the balance of this light fixture, so my wife and I decided just to replace it with LED light. First, remove the diffuser and then the fluorescent bulb. Just a quick history. The first U-shaped lamp were produced in Germany on the 15th of August 1949. This kind of lamp is still available in our local Home Depot store. Carefully remove the cover of the wires and ballast. Always make sure that you shut the power off before doing this DIY project. Remove marrettes or wire nuts on the connection once power absence is confirmed. It is a safe practice to put back the marrette once the wire is disconnected. Put it on the line side or the supply side of the wire. Here I will speed up the video as it is just a removal process only. Uh-oh, a big stain, or probably an old paint. Anyway, we'll do magic later. This is the LED light that we're going to use. Koda 15 inches or 38.1 centimeter slim LED ceiling light. I got this at Costco on sale. It has a features like you can change colors using light switch from 2700K to 4000K. No remote control needed. Wait, there's more. You can also dim this, Well, that's it. You will not get dancing light in your kitchen, dude. So in the box, you will get the light, of course, screw, and of course the manual that nobody uses. Well, sometimes. So here I'm installing the bracket on a big stained ceiling. You need to check the power again to make sure that you can really install this. You got me, right? Black to black and white to white, simple. I attached the ground wire first to the box. Then I got my purple connector. Give me a second. There, my purple connector. This is used when your house wiring is aluminum wires and need to be connected to copper wires. I have a video link below or on the upper right corner pop-up link for how to properly use this purple connector or Alumicon. This needs to be torqued properly. Each wires have a different torque specs. Please check my video. Now the bracket is secured. You just need to connect the wires to the light, and then you need to just push it, fit it, and then twist. Turn on the power. On. Good. Off. Good. On. Good. Off. Good. One more time. Cool. Oh, where am I? Oh, just right here. So this is the big square stained ceiling. that will going to disappear in just a snap. Yeah. Oh, one more time. There we go. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. See you in the next video guys, God willing. You have a great day. Bye.